Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna discuss about introduction to keto diet. The keto diet is rapidly gaining in popularity. Although it's been around for almost a century. There's a reason why keto diet is so highly regarded. It's not a fat diet. It actually works. And it has tremendous health benefits, in addition to weight loss. When on the keto diet, you are feeding your body exactly what it needs, and are eliminating toxins that will slow it down. The keto diet focuses on low carbohydrates, which the body converts into energy to help speed up weight loss. What exactly is the problem with high carbs? And why should you avoid them? They become converted into glucose and insulin. As the insulin enters the bloodstream to process the glucose, it becomes the main source of energy. The body doesn't need fats and begins to store it. Or, more accurately, it keeps adding it on. The more glucose in your diet, the less fat is being used. When you consume less carbohydrates, the body goes into a state referred to as ketosis. Thus, the name for this low-carb diet. Ketosis helps the body survive on less food. It's a fact that the opposite type of diet, vegetarian, requires the eater to consume much more food just to keep going. During ketosis, the liver breaks down fats into ketones, which enables the body to use the fat as energy. During a keto diet, we don't starve ourselves of calories. We starve the body of carbohydrates. This makes weight loss easy and natural. But as we will see, the keto diet has many additional benefits. The keto diet is an easy diet, but some people do miss beans and breads. It takes a bit of getting used to. But ultimately, not stuffing yourself of carbohydrates will make you feel good enough that you won't miss the carbs. And being able to eat bacon on a diet, yeah, does have its rewards.